Most people get this wrong when searching for the best new games on Rewarded Play. They assume the newest game automatically means the fastest rewards. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best earning game is often the one you'll actually keep playing for more than a few days. In this video, you'll learn how to find the best new Rewarded Play games in 2026, what to look for before downloading, and how to avoid wasting time on games that aren't good for you. Let's get straight to it. Rewarded Play regularly adds new games across different categories. You might see puzzle games, strategy games, simulation games, card games, or casual mobile games. The exact selection can vary based on your device, location, and account. Here's a quick win right away. Don't download every new game you see. Instead, focus on games that match your interests. If you enjoy puzzle games, start there. If you prefer strategy games, prioritize those options first. For example, Alex enjoys city-building games. When a new simulation game appears, he naturally spends more time playing because he likes the gameplay. John downloads random games just because they're new, and ends up deleting most of them within a few hours. But here's the problem. Many users chase every new release without considering whether they'll actually enjoy it. As a result, they spend more time installing and uninstalling games than actually playing them. This is where most people fail. They focus on quantity instead of consistency. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best new games for earning are often the ones with simple progression systems and engaging gameplay loops. If a game feels enjoyable from the first session, you're more likely to continue playing and making progress over time. Here's another quick win. Pay attention to the game's ratings and description before installing it. A few seconds of research can save you hours spent testing a game you don't enjoy. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to identify promising new games. Check the featured and recommended sections regularly. These areas often highlight newly added titles and trending games that other users are exploring. Reviewing these sections helps you stay updated without having to search manually. But here's something many people overlook. Your personal experience matters more than someone else's recommendation. Jake may love a strategy game that you find boring. The goal is not to play what everyone else likes. The goal is to find games that keep you engaged consistently. Now here's the key takeaway. The best new Rewarded Play games in 2026 are not necessarily the newest, most popular, or most talked about. They're the games that fit your interests, keep you engaged, and encourage consistent activity. Let's recap. Focus on games you genuinely enjoy. Avoid downloading too many at once. Check featured recommendations regularly. And prioritize long-term engagement over hype. That's the smartest approach to finding the best new games. If this guide helped you, leave a comment sharing your favorite Rewarded Play game, hit the like button, and subscribe for more reward app tips, game recommendations, and tech tutorials.